You guys did something like part to whole. I think they did it. Maybe sixth grade, I think. Part divided by whole. Are you smarter than a fifth grader?
No.
Um. So let's read this. All right. Consider the following nutritional facts of Junior Mint candies. Use a formula on the label to consider the questions, including units in your work. Ooh, so it must be pre-algebra if they want labels. And keep in mind that nutritional labels and tend to list approximate values, and percents are usually rounded to whole numbers. Okay. What percent of calories in Junior Mints is from fat? So what you have to do is you have to find out your calories. Calories from fat. Hey, that's easy. 30 right there, right? So I have 30 calories from fat. And what do we got here? Total for calories is 170, right? That's our whole. This is our whole total calories. You're gonna divide this by 170. Get your handy dandy calculators. 17%. 17.6. 17.6. So we want to change that to a percent. Actually, it should be 0.176, right? If we want to change it to a percent, it would be whole numbers, 18%. I got to get my calculator. I don't trust you guys.
Hey. Yes.
All right, number two. Number two. This package of Junior Mints accounts for 5% of a person's daily intake of fat for a 2,000 calorie diet. How was the number calculated? Good question. So we have 5%, which we'll need to, let's see, well, let's look up. There's our total. Oh, 3 grams right there. The total fat's 3 grams. Or actually, that's our part because it's from fat. And then what else we got? 2,000 calorie diet. Where am I? I can't read this. 3 grams. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. There's my 3 grams. This package has 5% of birth of fat for 2,000. So it's 3 grams. How was the number calculated? I'm missing it. I can't see it. 5. That's 3 grams from fat.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am. Did I miss it down here? Fat 65. I can't even read this. Man, my eyesight is bad from last year. Oh, here's my 2,000. Total is that 65 or 55? 65? 65 grams? 3. 8 divided by 65. There's my 5%. .046. Move the decimal places over 2 points. 4.6. Round it up. 5%. That's how I got my 5%. So here's my 2,000 calorie diet. There's my 65 grams, right? Got it? I got point zero. Oh, yeah, 0.046. Huh? I'm confused. It's worse than my eyesight. Yeah, I moved it over 2 spots. I got 4.6%. And then they said we have to round it up to the next lowest number. Got it? I don't know how you guys can read this label. What percentage of person's daily allowance of now we got to do it for carbohydrates does she consume if she eats this whole package of Junior Mints? Find the answer on the label and show how to calculate it, assuming a two. I'm not doing that. I can't read this crap anymore. No, not doing it. I'm going on. I can't. I can't read it. All right, let's do ratio and rates. Ratio. Do you really want me to do it? All right. This time we're doing carbohydrates, right? Well, the total for 2,000 diet is 300 milligrams. Oh, that's cholesterol. 300 grams. That's our total, right? And what's our percentage here? 35? Can't see it. Can't see it. It's like me. Now you're going to make me try to find these again. Okay, total carbohydrates, 35 grams. $2,000, 2,000 calorie diet. 300, right? Help me out, people.
Yeah.
Okay, let's divide this out. Handy dandy calculators. 35 divided by 300. 0.116 repeats, so 6.7. And we want a percentage, right? So that's going to be 11.6 or 12%. Number 4. Find the number of calories per piece of Junior Mint candy if there are 16 pieces. If there are 16 pieces in a serving. All right. Oh, this ought to be fun. So I have 170 calories per serving, right? 170 calories per how many pieces? 16 pieces. Okay. So 170. Let's see, 170 divided by 16. This will give us 10.6. 10.625 calories per piece. And they want to know. That's it, right? So 10.625 calories per piece. Number five. Assume a person has a 2,500 calorie diet. What percent of his daily allowance of carbohydrates does he consume if he eats his whole package of Junior Mints? So assume that now we're looking at a 2,500 calorie diet, right? And what percent of allowance of carbohydrate does it come on? It eats the whole package of Junior Mints. I don't know how many servings are. So this is I'm assuming that this is a 16-piece packet. Okay, so we have the daily the daily allowance was what, 35 grams, I think, right? Yep, 35 grams. 35 grams of carbos. And the 2,500 calorie diet was, yep. That game sucks, so you should pay attention. You should help me read this. Is that 375?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put that in your handy dandy calculators. Let's see, 35 divided by 375. 0.0933333333. Repeating. Do we want a percent here? Yep, whole percent. Doing, doing. So 9%. How many calories are there per gram of Junior Mints? Per gram. Well, that sucks. Well, we know there's what? We did this earlier, right? 10.625 calories per piece. 10.625 calories. But this time we want to know per gram. And how many grams are here? Grams, 40, right? 40 grams? 40 grams? Okay, 10.625 divided by 40. 0.62, 0.26, sorry, 0.265. Calories per gram. That seems a little low. I'm not going back. The label says there's 30 calories from fat. How was that number calculated? How accurate is it? Yeah, let's see. So we got 30 calories from fat, right? Calories from fat. And um, so we're going to do over total calories, part to whole, right? So calories from fat. Oh no, here we go again. Oh, hey, I think I can read this one. 30, right? And what's my total calories? 170? Handy dandy calculator. And I get 0.176. And is this a percentage? Well, let's change it to a percent. We'll just say 18%. Right? Round it up. Okay, so they want to know how accurate it is. 30 calories from fat. Fat calories was 13%, right? So it's 18%. It's not very accurate. So they lied. Should sue them. God, I hope we don't have any labels to read that small again. That was awful. Whoa, 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 whoa. These are notes. These are. Ready?
Yes.
Ready? 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 Okay, ratio. What's a ratio? Fraction, right? We have what? 3 ways to write a ratio? 40 to 1. 40. Or you can actually write it out 40 to 1. Or 90% of the time, we're going to use what? A fraction. Okay, the rate. Okay, so it's also called the rate. Um, for example, the rate 30 miles per gallon. Oh, these are just you can read through those. All right, example. Suppose you have you set the cruise control on a long car trip to 80, 70 miles per hour. Circle all the correct. 70 miles per hour. This one works. Nope. 17.5 miles in 15 minutes. Uh-oh. So 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour, right? So if we divide an hour by 4, we're going to have to divide 70 by 4, right? You guys follow me? So 70 divided by 4 gives me miles per 15 minutes, which is 17.5. Hey, this works. Let's see. 70 miles is out. There's no hour there. 315 miles after 4.5 hours. So we're going to have to multiply 70 by what? 4.5, right? If it comes out to 315, we're good as gold. 70 times 4.5, 315. So E works. Okay. It's common for recipes and mixtures to use the term part instead of a specific unit like cup or tablespoon. A part is any unit of volume, such as teaspoons, cup, quart, or gallon. The person who creates the mixture can choose the unit based on the amount of being mixed. If we are mixing paint for a wall, these guys have smelled the fumes and aren't paying attention. A part can be a quart. If we are mixing paint for a canvas, a part could be a 1 second squirt from a paint tube. Ooh, a 1 second squirt. That's what it says. A juice, a juice drink, a juice. I, that's what it says. Am I not? I'm just reading that. All right, a juice recipe calls for 3 parts orange juice, 2 parts.
What do you mean?
Now I can't read it all. Below are several statements. Circle all that are correct.
I want us to pay attention then.
Okay,
Yeah,
3 parts orange, 2 parts pineapple, right?
Oh my gosh, bro. This sounds good.
All right, for every cup of pineapple juice, you need 1.5 cups. Well, that makes sense because we're dividing two by. We started with two. They say, well, if you need 1 cup, then that's half of two, right? So what's half of three? 1.5 cups. So this works. Am I going too fast? For every 2 quarts of pineapple juice, you need 6 quarts of orange juice. If you just replaced parts with quarts, you would only need 3 quarts. So this one's wrong. When the juices are mixed together, the mixture is 3/5 orange juice. That's true, right? If we mix these together, you got say 3 cups of orange. I'll just put O for orange. No, that's not going to work. OR. Plus 2 pineapple. It's going to give us a total of 5 cups, right? So, and they want to know orange juice, so it's going to be 3 out of 5 cups that are going to be orange juice. That works. The ratio of pineapple juice to orange juice is 2 to 3. Yeah, just flip it upside down. That works. If you have 15 ounces of orange juice, you need to add 10 ounces of pineapple juice. Let's see, if you have 15 orange, you need to add 10 ounces of. Let's see, so we just put ounces in here. And so 15 orange. That means we multiplied this by 5, so we'd have to multiply the 2 by 5, which would be 10 pineapple. So this one's true. If you use 4 cups of pineapple, you can make 6 cups of the drink. We would have to double pineapple. That means we would have to double orange, right? So it would be 6/4. And if you use the 4 cups, you would have to add the 6 cups of orange juice. So 4 plus 6 is going to be 10. I mean 10. You would not make 6 cups, so that's out of the question. Oh no.
This one's bigger.
Oh, actually, this one's bigger. I can read it. Thank God. Okay. Create a rate that compares suggested saturated fat grams total calories or 2,000 calorie diet. Simplify the fraction. Okay, saturated fat grams. Saturated fat grams is 20. And then we're looking at 2,000 calorie diet. So total calories is 300 grams, right? What is a calorie anyway? Who came up with that stupid rule? Did I do this right? Calories. 2,000. Total fat is 20. I used carbohydrates, didn't I? I need calories. Where's total calories from fat? Uh, Total fat, 65. I did do it wrong, didn't I? Saturated fats to total calories. Saturated fats is 20. To total calories is 300. No, I did it right. 20 divided by 300. 0.00067. Math, enter. 1/15. So move it over twice. So this is going to be. This doesn't look right. Oh, it wants to simplify the fraction. That's why it don't look right. So 20 divided by 300. Enter, math, enter. I still get 1/15. So 1 gram to 15 total, right? 1 to 15 calories. 1 gram of fat to 15 calories. Create a rate, so another ratio fraction that compares suggested saturated fat grams to total calories or 2,500 calories. So the same thing. 25 grams, this should have been calories, over our total calories. 80. No, that's not where I got the 80. 25, I got 25. Yeah, total fat 80. Now I need calories. I made a mistake up here. No wonder this didn't make sense to me. So 20 grams to a 2,000 calorie diet, right? Let's see, simplify that. That's going to be 1 over 100. Makes more sense. 1 gram to 100 calories. 25 grams to 25 calories, that should be 0.01, right? Let's see, 25 divided by 2,500, 0.01, which again is 1 over 100, right? There's my rate, 1 over 100. Calories, grams of saturated fat. Compare your answers from A and B. Here's my answers from A. Here's my answer from B. Guess what? They're exactly the same. Interpret the new simplified rate in words. Um, they're honest, right? So the rate of saturated fat should not change with intake calories, right? Rate of saturated fat shouldn't change with the amount of calories you take in, intake calories. All right. Where are we on this? I'm getting tired of this. Oh, dimensional analysis. Yeah, we need to review that. Um, let's go to. We're going to do it a different way because you've been taught differently. Okay. So suppose you've been hired for a job that pays $12 per hour. So we're going to start with that. $12 per 1 hour. Okay. Is it true that you make 20 cents per minute? So we're going to change this to cents per minute. You guys remember doing this? So all we're going to do is we're changing labels and we're going to multiply this by units of one. So we need to get dollars to cents. So I'm going to cancel out here. I'm going to put dollars down here and cents up here so that my dollars cancel, right? But I need a unit of one. So there's 100 cents and $1. And then I got to get from hours to minutes, right? Okay, so I need to multiply by another unit of one. I want my hours to cancel. And I want to get to minutes. So how many minutes in an hour? Yeah, 60 minutes and 1 hour by hours cancel. So when I go to cross here, I got cents and I'm left with minutes. So all I have to do is take 12 times 100 times 1, enter, divided by 1 times 1 times 60, which is nothing more than 60. And I get 20 cents per minute. Easy peasy, right? Guys, remember doing all this in Algebra 1. Let's do another one. In a similar way, we can write $480. So $480 per week. And we want to end up with $12 per hour. Yikes. Actually, that's not too bad. Okay, so all we have to do, we don't need to do anything with the dollar, right? We need to change weeks to hours. How many hours in a week?
Yeah.
Well, there's, huh? Maybe we should do it twice. Should we do it by days first? So there's 1 week and 7 days. And then there is, so my weeks cancel. And I want to change days to hours. So there's, oh, I didn't leave enough room. So I want to get rid of my days. And I want to go to hour. There's 1 day in 24 hours, right? So my days cancel. So all I have to do is make sure that this comes out to $12 per hour. So 480 times 1 is 480. Divide by, now I'm going to use parentheses, 7 times 24. And I should get $12 per hour, and I didn't. I made a mistake.
Forgot the zero by your rate.
Oh, forgot the zero by my 8. 480 divided by 7 times 24. Thank you. I don't know what I'd do without you guys. $2.85 an hour. Yeah, close enough. Oh, I know what I did wrong. We don't work 24 hours a day, do we?
No. I mean, maybe.
Yeah, we should have did it by 40 hours.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, we should have actually did it this way. Divided by 40 hours. My fault, big shot. All right, I'm done. We're too close to the end of class. So we'll finish this up tomorrow.